and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update, which I'm super excited about. I feel like I haven't filmed one of these in so long, so you already know we have a lot to update you all on. We've got new pieces coming in, a bunch of new furniture that has already come in, lots of updates, lots of switching, changing, rearranging. You know how we do around here. But if not, if you're new, if you're thinking what's going on, I encourage you to subscribe. We do all things home over here, home decor, home shop with me, room makeovers, just basically all things interior design, home decor, home updates. Today's video is the last home update of 2021. We're gonna get this home nice and clean and organized, and I'm obviously gonna show you all the new furniture that we got. So it's gonna be a really, really good home update. I'm really excited about this one. If you are too, if you're ready for 2022, ready to get this house ready for 2022, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, first things first, Rob is bringing in all of our bins. Hey, Rob. Hey. This is a lot, but I feel like we're gonna have to get more bins. I don't know, we'll see. Say goodbye to the Christmas 2021. Yeah, holiday cheer, and we'll see you next year.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land.
You guys, I am beyond excited because Anthropologie, yes, I said that correctly, Anthropologie has left the building and we are left with the most beautiful, beautiful piece. I have been wanting this piece for so long. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you already know what this is, but let's get a countdown in 3, 2, 1. I got the mirror, I got the Anthropologie mirror, and I'm so excited about it. Let me turn so you can kind of see. Honestly, this mirror just makes the room. Like, it looks so good. It's so beautiful. This is the traditional primrose mirror that's all over. Everybody has one. Well, everybody except me, but now I have it too, and I absolutely love it. I got it in black. I feel like the gold one is just like super popular, and of course it's beautiful, but I just wanted something a little bit different, even though this is like such a common piece. But it's huge. It's 7 feet. I feel like it fits the wall perfectly though, but it is so massive. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so pretty. Like, this is the moment right here. It's huge. Like, it's so big. I obviously love the detail and the design kind of up at the top here as well. I think it's just so pretty, you guys. Like, I love this. This is what it looks like in the room. Our bedroom is pretty much done, you guys. Like, we obviously have like a couple more things that we need to still add, but as far as like the majority of the room, like, I just love this. I think it looks awesome. We're going to get a piece of artwork to go above the bed, but yeah, I really like this. I think it looks so pretty. I feel like it fits the space. I'm so glad I went with black. I was hesitant. I was like, is it gonna be too bold? But because it's a mirror, like, it's just the rim around here. Like, it's not too out there, but I think the room looks awesome. I'm so happy with this. Yay! New mirror. Who this? Like, I'm in love. I think it looks awesome. So yay for a new mirror. Okay, you guys, I'm hyped. I'm excited. We're taking a break from taking down Christmas decor. We're pretty much done, but we have a new member of the family. It's a rug.
Hello, rug.
Hello, rug. We got this rug, and I don't know which one it is. I ordered 2 from Lulu and Georgia when they were having, I don't know if they were actually having a sale, y'all. I don't know.
They were.
They were?
Remember you had?
No, that was email address, coupon 10%. So it wasn't technically a sale, but anyway, so we have this rug. I ordered 2. I don't know which one this is. So this is like a mystery right now. It could be going in the living room. It could be going upstairs in our bedroom. We don't know. What do you think? Let's vote.
I vote that it's not going to a subscriber's house.
Rob.
I win. Alright,
Rob, where do you...
I think this is gonna go in the living room.
I think it's the living room rug too, so let's see. So you all leave your votes in the comments. Do you think it's the bedroom rug or the living room rug? And I know you have no idea what either one looks like, but just take a guess.
Take a big guess.
Okay, y'all, if you guessed bedroom rug, you are correct. We were wrong. It's the bedroom rug. Yay.
Your prize is you get to hit the like button and make sure you share this video so you can see me do more stuff like this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Might as well.
Oh my gosh. Make sure you subscribe.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling.
You guys, I don't know if this is coming across on camera the way it's coming across in person because, oh my goodness, I'm in love with this rug. Okay, so first things first, we're not gonna just keep this rug out like this. We're going to put another layer. Like this is gonna be a layering situation. So I really wanna get like probably an 8x10. This is a 9x12. So probably the next size down, like maybe like an oriental type rug. And I just love that look. Like we did something similar in my mom's house and I really like the way it turned out. So I think that's what we're gonna do. But I don't know, honestly, that was my first thought, just layering this rug. But I really like the way it looks. I don't know, we'll have to see. Because the more I look at it, the more I'm like, no, I really like this rug as is. Maybe we don't have to layer. I don't know, but I'm so happy with this. I think this looks so much more like, I don't know why, but the word tidy comes to mind. Like the first rug, it just had so many stains on it. It was so hard to keep clean. And this one just looks, it just looks like a refresher. The chairs really pop now. The white bedding pops. Like I feel like it looks more me, like more us, really, more us. And I'm obsessed with this, you guys. Like I can't get over how nice this looks. I'm so happy with this rug. I feel like it's coming together and I'm happy. When I told you this was gonna be a huge update, I was not lying. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw this, but we have art lights above the wall art over here. Hey Rob, absolutely love them. I think they look awesome. They are functioning lights, which this was a time, you guys. Like we had Tony install these. Thanks, Rob. And I think they just pop, like they look awesome. I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy with like how the lights look. I think it just adds a little something, something. Like I just love like, I guess the neck of the light, how it kind of just like curves backwards. And I feel like this looks so professional and high end, but the lights, I'll link them down below. They're Amazon. They're I'm pretty sure they're Prime. I think they look awesome. We still have to touch up the paint down here because he had to install a light switch on either side of the wall art. So the wiring, he had to cut through the wall. Anyway, we had to patch up that paint, but I wanted to show you these lights because I'm really, really happy with them. I think they look amazing. Like this is the moment right here. Like this is just so, I don't know, bougie. Like it just looks bougie. Like something about it is just like so high end and luxe, but it really did not cost that much. Well, the light itself didn't cost that much. Installing it was another story. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Really happy with the lights. I wanted to show them and share them. We got these installed, I want to say like a month or two ago at this point, but yeah, I'm happy. So So this is what the shelves look like. I mean, you've seen this before, but we had one kind of, I was gonna say crash and burn, but minus the burn. It definitely crashed and fell. And so now we just have, these three. I switched the tree to be in this corner and I absolutely love it. I think this corner just looks really, really cute and cozy and I'm happy with it. Over here, I guess I kind of switched some things around in the playroom on this side as well. So I just put the lamp over here with the table and the basket and I really, really like this, you guys. Like, it's good to kind of just switch it up, rearrange some things. You know, I'm like the queen of that. So this is what the playroom is giving. And then over here, you've seen this before, but so far so good. All the Christmas decor is down and it feels bare, but it also feels so good. Let me know if you agree. Once the Christmas decor comes down, it's like literally refreshing. Like it feels like a totally new space.
What up everybody, Rob back in the building. We about to do another unboxing. Just kidding, we're about to hook up some new hooks for our shower towels. And we're actually gonna just use the same exact placement of the one we had before. You guys see, does this work? This is like a YouTube trick. Pretty cool. I'll get you guys a close up when I'm done, but this is exactly where it's gonna go. And we will get started. Admire my handiwork for just a moment. And yeah, it looks great. Man, that thing is solid, okay? Who remembers Undercover Brother? Solid.
Some other guy when the night ends. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you the dining room. I wanted to decorate it, even though we're not technically gonna be eating here anytime soon. I mean, we could. Rob could, you know, plan a little date night in. We could do a little special dinner as a family, I don't know. But I still wanted it to be pretty, just for the sake of being pretty. So I put down the table runner. I feel like it could be a little bit wider, but maybe I could layer it in the future. So I'll probably find like a neutral one, maybe that's a little bit darker to kind of go underneath this white runner just to give it more of a layered look. But I love the little like place setting with the charger and the plates. I think this just looks so cute. And I wanted to show you this centerpiece. I got this huge vessel in the mail, like I want to say a month or so ago, but I just wanted to show it in this video. I could not wait to share it with you all. So the plan is to get like some greenery, some stems to put in the center to really like bring this to life and make it feel a little bit more cozy. Right now it's very, very pretty, but I definitely want to add like a rug, like some greenery in here, like I said, just to make it feel a little bit more alive. But this is pretty much what the dining room is serving and I'm here for it. Okay, you guys, and I wanted to share with you the living room with all of the Christmas decor gone. I feel like it looks bare, but I know it's not. It's just because all the Christmas decor is gone. It's out of here. I'm so glad to be going into the new year with like a fresh, clean space. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna end the video here with the living room without any Christmas decor, going into the fresh new year. I hope you all have a wonderful new year. Thank you all so much for watching, supporting, following along with the channel. I really, really appreciate you all. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful New Year's Eve, a safe New Year's Eve, a wonderful start to your new year, and I will see you in 2022. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, and me and the living room right now, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.